I don't want to scare it off. But, aww, that is adorable. It's sat on the bench, that's so sweet. That cat usually runs away, so it's not a friendly one. None of them are, you know, that come into the garden. None of the stray or whatever cats they are very friendly. They just all run away. Let's see what happens if I go close. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone. It's okay. You can see you, Puss. Let's just watch. Sorry, Puss. Sorry, Puss. You go back to bunching. So cute. Anyway, yeah, so that is adorable. And I feel bad. I feel like I'm sort of cheating because, you know, I'm not the one making the animations, but I've heard it's okay to outsource. If you don't have the skills, you get someone else to do it. Hello, Mama. She left the light on for me. Okay. That's all for now, I think.